Sarah sits at the table, staring at a pile of bills. A half-empty fridge hums in the background. Meet Sarah, a hard-working mother of two, juggling two jobs just to keep food on the table. She used to take her kids out for a weekend treat ice cream, a small trip to see their grandparents, but now every dollar is stretched to the limit, and it's about to get worse. A new trade war is brewing. Tariff war escalates, prices expected to surge, families brace for impact. And while the headlines focus on international politics, the real impact is happening in homes just like Sarah's. Companies paying higher tariffs aren't eating those costs, they're passing them down to us. That means higher prices on groceries, gas, everyday essentials, and no relief in sight. Grocery store footage, price tags being changed to higher numbers. Imagine walking into the store and seeing a gallon of milk at double the price, eggs. Skyrocketing fresh security a reality for millions. Produce, a luxury item. These tariffs are making food insecure. Families who were already struggling will have to make impossible choices. Do we eat or do we keep the lights on? The price per gallon is rising, and it's not just food. The cost of gas is climbing, making it harder for people to get to work. Flights are becoming unaffordable, separating families who rely on travel to stay connected, a quick visit to see loved ones. Out of reach for many, the dream of a better future is slipping away, replaced by the nightmare of working more hours just to survive. Footage of exhausted workers at a diner, a factory, an office, rubbing their eyes from fatigue. Many are already working two jobs, some are taking on three, but there are only so many hours in a day, and exhaustion is taking its toll. The system is squeezing the life out of hardworking people, and the worst part, there's no end in sight. Sarah is now looking at her phone, searching for ways to make extra money online. But what if there was another way? A way to create income that isn't tied to the rising cost of goods or the number of hours you can work in a day. That's where online digital marketing comes in. People working from home, sipping coffee, using their laptops unlike traditional jobs. Digital marketing doesn't require massive investments. It doesn't take years of experience, and it doesn't demand 40, 50, 60 hours a week. Instead, with just a couple of hours a day, you can build an online income stream that helps you break free from this financial trap. Sarah made a choice. Instead of letting rising prices control her life, she took control of her income. Now she's on her way to financial freedom without sacrificing time with her kids. Subscribe for more. Take control of your future. If you're tired of being stuck, if you're ready to take back your financial freedom, hit that subscribe button. Follow me and let's find a way out of this together.